All right, gang, want to give you a review today of the Movo DiveRig4 here. I've been using this now for about 2 years as an addition to my underwater camera here, my action cam that I use. I'm so glad I did buy this. I'm really happy with it for the most part, but two things you got to watch out for. Now, the things I like. Number one, it only weighs about 1.5 pounds with the light installed. So it doesn't add a ton of weight to me while I'm scuba diving, which I absolutely love. It looks good, bright colors, always easy to locate underwater. I do strap it to me with a bungee strap, but it's always easy to locate. But now a couple things that you got to watch out for. Number one, you got to make sure you get the right one of these for your particular action cam. I did look up my action cam and found out this is the one I need. The thing I didn't realize is how little space there is to work with the mounting pin. And this is really tough to get your little fingers in there and to get the mounting pin on there properly. So make sure that you get the right one for you. But also on the light. It says it's a 700 lumen light on high. I would believe that. It's pretty dang bright light underwater. But it says it lasts about 80 minutes. I don't know that I've ever gotten 80 minutes out of it. Between 45 minutes to an hour if I'm running it constantly. Now, between dives, you have to charge it. It does not have user replaceable battery, so you do have to charge it between dives. And so if you're doing a ton of filming one day, you got to take the time to charge it. But other than that, none of those were a deal breaker for me. I'd actually give this a 4 out of 5 stars. Recommend this to anybody doing underwater photography.